Hi guys, welcome back to another grocery haul. There's a whole bunch of stuff here. All right, let's see what I got. Okay, I guess we'll just start here. We got a crispy roll SP, which is spicy, and 3 boxes of turkey. No, it says 4 turkey. Are they flavored? Okay, well, 3 boxes of some stovetop stuffing. And this is like beyond my favorite toothpaste, the Crust 3D White. Any of the flavors, yeah, because it's not a scent. Any of the flavors are good. I really don't care. But these, for a 4.1 ounce box, tube, whatever, it was $2.50, which usually these are like $4 something to like $5 to $6, depending on where you get them from. So really good deal for $2.50. And then these were, how much were they? These were 99 cents each, and there was a $1 off coupon, so got paid 3 cents to buy those. But the commissary doesn't give you money back if you have like other groceries that you mix with it. So this just added like 3 cents to my total, or deducted. And then these were an even better deal. These were $1.77, and there was a $1.25 off coupon. There were a big stack of coupons, but for whatever reason, I could not find, once I walked away from that section, I couldn't find them anymore. And if only my husband was there to reach his arm all the way in the back, but I could only reach 4, so that's what I got. But if I go back, I will definitely get more of these. Then for the main event, we got some oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. I got this because on coupons.com and Fetch, there was a free reward for them. And I tried them out, and I guess that's how they get you. You get the item for free, and then you're like, oh, this is really good. I should buy more of them. So we got these, and they actually had a $1 off of 2 packs. So that was an even better deal. And some peanut butter ones, 3, what is this? A jug. A 2 liter, 2 liters? Yeah. Of some root beer and some Sunkist orange soda. What is this? Cocktail sauce. 2 bags of chopped pecans for my next video is probably going to be a pie that you guys are going to see. I'll write whether it's out or not, but it is so amazing. And then, oh my goodness, these are the most, so somebody else did the shopping. If you guys are wondering why I'm looking at things I haven't seen them before, because I haven't. But these were $20.20, the most gigantic, here's my hand, and that's a shrimp. Gigantic. So 2 of those. Then we got some scallops, which were $13.72. This is 1 pound. And yeah, the same exact thing. 2 of those. Scallops, I'm going to make a video on this too. So simple. They're expensive, but they're worth it, in my opinion, when you buy them frozen. Don't buy fresh. And some, what is this? Red leaf lettuce? Romaine with red tops, I guess. 3 of those. Then we got some limes. How many? What is that? 8? And some spinach and artichoke and Parmesan. I don't know how I feel about that. And some Cool Whip to go with the pie. You guys know I'm a Ready Whip kind of girl, or if I'm not making my own. Ew, there's a hair. Pretend you guys, ew. Okay, pretend you guys did not see that. And some bananas. Oh, and there's even more shrimp in here. Oh my goodness. And what is this? 2 sweet potatoes? I could have swore. Oh, okay, I guess we got more than we needed of sweet potatoes. And then we also got some Powerade, some grape, some, what is this, lemon lime, and red, what is that, fruit punch? Okay, last bag. See, I knew I got sweet potatoes. Yeah, sweet potatoes. Okay, and that's literally it.